Hi everyone, I am Devasis from Neel Advantage Technologies. Today in this video we will discuss about problems faced by an IT company and how Neel Advantage Technologies resolved it. In this particular slide we will talk about our mission, which is to provide cost-effective IT infrastructure products and services to startups and middle-size as well as large-size enterprises. In next slides, we will discuss about the challenges, solutions, and outcomes of problems faced by an IT company and how we resolved it. In this slide, we will discuss about the problems and challenges faced by IT company. The client recently switched to our IT department's fully managed IT support service because they were unhappy with the service provided by their existing incumbent. As with all new clients, our first task was to complete an IT infrastructure audit and provide the client with a traffic light report containing our findings and recommendations for moving forward. The staff were unhappy, employees were complaining frequently about network disconnections, Wi-Fi router was placed in one corner of the building, hence Wi-Fi signal was very low in meeting rooms. On the other side, there was no gateway level of cyber security in place, means was no firewall to protect their server. As there was no proper mechanism for data protection, the server were compromised twice by unauthorized access. The customer had lost data from the service because of the cyber attack. Only few data they were able to retrieve. In addition, they noticed that a high percentage of support tickets in the log were diagnosed as malware or antivirus issues by the previous IT incumbent, yet the management team had not been notified in this persistent problem. In this current slide, we will discuss about solutions offered by Neel Advantage. A heat map analysis was done by our network engineers visiting customer premises. A new IT infrastructure was designed by our experts and presented to the client. In the new IT infrastructural design, we maintained the best practices used across industry for cybersecurity. Based on customer budget, we installed firewall from Fortinet and secured the servers through policy-based setup. We also installed the managed Cisco L3 switch and resolved frequent network disconnections. We placed Ruckus access point in different parts of the building for better Wi-Fi connectivity everywhere. We provided customer QNAP Synology NAS network attached storage, data backups for the servers so that in case the servers are compromised, the data will be safe in the backup device. The client now enjoys the highest level of enterprise protection against the latest network security threats. Automated scanning and updates are now in place for all devices. The staff are experiencing less antivirus or malware related issues on their PCs, which has greatly increased productivity throughout the company. In this current slide, we will show you architecture of the IT company for 200 to 300 employees before our engagement. In this particular slide, we will discuss about managed architecture provided by us. A heat map analysis was done by our network engineer visiting customer premises. Based on customer budget, we installed firewall from Fortinet and secured the server through policy-based setup. Here we have also used Cisco L3 switch and resolved frequent network disconnections. We provided Ruckus access point in different parts of the building for better Wi-Fi connections. The client has now been using this architecture for more than 6 months. They are very happy with the performance of the solution and the fact that the number of problems related IT issues has been significantly reduced. Thank you for now. Feel free to contact us. Drop your questions on our website www.neeladvantage.com or mail us on info@neeladvantage.com. We will assure you to respond within 24 hours.